All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Shouts out to the DeFi Moneyverse Telegram group. If you want to join that free Telegram group, the link is below. Let's get right into it, all right? Taking a look at Bitcoin. Now, today, CPI data will be released within a matter of hours, all right? And if that data comes in bad, if that report reports anything above 8.6, there is potential for markets to head lower. And that includes Bitcoin as well. All right. So, right, anything higher than 8.6 is not going to be good. Anything below 8.6 could be better, and we could see some type of rally in the markets. All right. Stocks and crypto. All right. So let's see how this plays out. As I mentioned on Saturday, in my video on Saturday, that Bitcoin did print a green dot on the market cipher where the wave was below 60, right? And he doesn't do that often. The last time he did it was back in I want to say that was 2018. Yeah, no, 2019. No, 2018, all right? 2018. It was the last time he did that, all right? Now, that does not mean that was the definitive bottom. I hope I made that clear in my last video, all right? So, that does not mean we can't print a red dot at the end of this week or next week, all right? It's only probabilities. That's what the chart gives us, is probabilities. It doesn't really account for human emotion and fear, all right? But in the midst of those elements, support and resistance lines on charts tell us how things could play out, right? Given the factors that charts can't account for, okay? So I'm ready for anything today. I'm ready for volatility to go to the upside or to the downside. Things could get much worse before they get much better, all right? So I'll take sideways. Today I'll take sideways. I'll take a little choppiness instead of losing that 17,600 support on Bitcoin, all right? If we lose that support, that's not going to be good, guys. If we lose 17.6, then those lower price targets that I've been talking about the past few weeks could get hit, anywhere from 10 to 14K, all right? So the flip side to that is that you could potentially be able to buy Bitcoin at 10 to 14K, all right? Or maybe it doesn't get that low. Maybe we get to 15K. Who knows? But Bitcoin's pattern the past few months has been to dump, consolidate, pump, then dump, and then just repeat the process over and over again, all right? So it's kind of like Bitcoin's coming down like a little feather, left to right, right? So we'll see how this plays out. I'm still buying Bitcoin daily. I've got small auto buys set up on Coinbase, and I'm just continuing to build out positions in some of my altcoins that I really wanted to get into during the bull market, and now they're just fractions of the price of what they were. So in this market, this is the toughest time to do the hard thing, which is to buy or dollar cost average, or you can just kind of wait until the coast is clear. The downside to that is you're not going to time the bottom. If you're lucky, you might, but more than likely you won't be able to catch the bottom. And when things reverse or the market pivots, right, you can see Bitcoin back up at 28K and never to see those lower prices again, for example. But I think that there's still too much bullishness in the market. I think there's another shakeout, if you will, that needs to take place, another leg down, to just wipe out people's confidence in the markets completely. I think there's a possibility for that to happen. But me being agnostic, I'm never bullish or bearish. I understand that maybe those lower price targets don't get hit. regardless of the current economic conditions. All right. So I'm staying neutral and I'm just working with what the market is giving me. All right. No emotion at all. Right. So guys, please stay safe out there. Try not to get wrecked. I hope you found this information useful. I'm slowing down the crypto gem videos because of the market conditions, but I will pick those up very soon. Here shortly, probably within the next week or two, I'll start dropping some gems here. But we're already talking about gems in the DeFi Moneyverse Telegram group. All right, guys. So I'm way more active there. Just because you see me posting a video maybe once a week or so, if that, does not mean that I'm not active. So I'm very active in the Telegram community, the DeFi Moneyverse Telegram. And again, that link is below. All right, guys, we will get through this. This is going to pass. You know what I'm saying? Set up some alerts. Go out there, get some sun, do some activities, do some stuff away from the charts. Whatever you got to do to keep your head straight, because this market is going to test your patience to the fullest. And I mean that. It's going to test it to the fullest. All right. If being in the crypto space was easy, and being a hodler was easy, then everybody would do it. But it's not. It's very challenging, and it's going to test you beyond your limits, beyond your wildest dreams. This space will test you, right? So I'm prepared in my mind for this this bear market to last 6 months, a year, even 2 years, right? But if it did last that long, guess what? I'll be good, because I'm still buying the cryptos that I think are going to run in the next bull market. All right. You don't want to show up late to a bull market. That don't feel good. But showing up early to a bear market also doesn't feel good. But what does feel good is the moment you realize that you did the right thing by buying when the prices were low, right? And that's going to be in the the bull market, if you bought during the bear market. All right, guys. So stay safe out there. Don't get wrecked. We will get through this. And check out the DeFi Moneyverse Telegram group. I'll be back soon. Deuce Crypto out.